Hello beautiful people, thank you all for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I want to share with you how I made my party style donuts recipe. This recipe is very easy and a very quick one, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do that and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm going to need some vanilla essence, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and nutmeg. To that, I also need some all-purpose flour, evaporated milk, salted butter, and some sugar. And I'll also need some 3 eggs. You can use 2 or 4 eggs, depending on how you want it. So in my mixing bowl, I'm going to add in my sugar. I'm using 1/4 cup of sugar. To that, I'm going to add in my evaporated milk. I'll list everything in the measurement in the description box for you to check it out, okay? So I'm also going to add some 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and my 3 eggs. Whisk until the sugar is well dissolved. So you can use your hand mixer or a blender to help you do this very fast, but I'm using the hand whisk to do this. So now let's mix this until everything is nice and well incorporated. Alright, so after mixing everything together, I'm going to add in my salted butter. You can melt your butter if you want, but I choose to do it this way, okay? Mix until everything is nice and well incorporated. And to my lovely returning and new subscribers right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing, commenting. Fam, I am truly grateful for your support. Alright, so after mixing my butter, you could see all the butter couldn't melt, so don't worry. After adding in your flour, it's going to disappear and you're going to have a very smooth consistency. So I added in my baking soda, baking powder, and my nutmeg, okay, and a salt it is as well. Mix everything until it is nice and very smooth. That is how we want the consistency to be. Alright, so now our flour is very smooth now, but the consistency is a little bit watery for me. So I'm going to go in with about 10 tablespoons of flour, and I'm going to mix everything very well until it is nice and well incorporated, okay? So you can use self-rising flour or plain flour to do this. It will work perfectly fine. So now just look at how the consistency is looking right now. Not too watery and not too heavy. So this donut recipe, no need resting it because we don't have any activate yeast in it. After mixing it like this, just heat up some oil and start dropping it in. So now let's scoop some of the dough, and we're going to use our finger to scoop it down like so, as I am doing right now. You scoop and you use your finger to press it down in your oil. Simple and easy as that. If you are not used to this, you can just scoop your dough and you begin to catch and throw your dough as I am doing to create smoothness on your dough. Then you drop it in your oil very nicely. So I'll drop the dough in between my fingers as you've seen right now. With this way, you're going to have a very smooth donut that you are looking for. Drop it in your oil and begin frying it. Simple and easy as that. And if you don't want to get your hand very messy like this, just use your spoon to scoop it in your oil and you are good to go, okay? So now let's heat up some oil and begin frying our donuts. So to a heated pan, I'm going to add in some cooking oil. Make sure the oil is very hot before you drop in your donut, because we don't want these donuts to soak the oil, because oil are really expensive these days. Make sure it's very hot, and as soon as you start dropping it, turn your fire to low medium heat to fry until you get that perfect golden brown color you are looking for. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that and be part of this beautiful family, okay? And whilst you are doing that, don't forget to hit that bell over there so that you'll be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. So now I'm flipping over the donut to make sure every part of this donut turn into the perfect golden brown color I am looking for. We don't want to leave this on fire without flipping over. It's going to burn, trust me. So now just see how golden brown this has turned into, the perfect color I am looking for. So now just look at that. Very smooth and very yummy. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this donut recipe, and let me know what you're going to pair with this kind of donut, okay? So now let's fry the second batch of this donut, and we're going to fry this on medium heat as well, okay? Fry this until it turns into the perfect golden brown color you are looking for. Simple as that. And our second batch is also ready. Just look at that. Fam, I'm going to pair these donuts with some wheat porridge. You can pair with any porridge at all. You can enjoy with some ice cream and you are good to go, okay? This morning I enjoyed myself with some porridge, I mean wheat porridge. And now just look at how soft and fluffy this looks. It looks appetizing and very delicious, trust me. If you have the ingredients in your kitchen, just get right into it and prepare something like this for your family to enjoy at home as well, okay? So now all what is left is for me to enjoy myself. If you like sweet things like me, add in more milk, okay? And if you watch this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching.